please don't allow your brake pads to go beyond this limit. Now, in my hand I have the new brake pads, and in this hand I have the old brake pads. Now you could see the difference between the old and the new. Okay, so a vast difference in that. Now this brake pad is totally worn to the extent that the pad liner is off, so it's left with a metallic plate. Okay, now when your brake pad gets worn to this extent, the likelihood of you having a bigger mess with the caliper is way too high, as well as the brake disc. So you can see that the brake disc is totally scorned with metal to metal contacts from the brake pad, a brake metallic pad, and the brake disc too as well. So it means that when you allow your brake pads to wear to this extent, your repair cost is going to be high, and the damage repairs are also going to be high. So you are going to replace the brake disc and the brake pads as well. So that is why it is recommended that you do a regular maintenance or checks with this, so that you keep your vehicle in shape to meet the standard of the road or the road conditions.